Hello students, in last class you have learned about milk yielding animals. Today you will learn about the breeds of dairy cows and breeds of buffaloes and white revolution. First see about the breeds of dairy cows. Dairy cows means the cows which provide us milk or which are reared for milk production. First breed in this is indigenous breeds. Indigenous breeds are the Indian breeds. For an example, Red Sindhi, Sahiwal, Gir, etc. Exotic breeds. Exotic breeds, these are the foreign breeds and their average milk yield is 3200 to 3500 liter. Example, Jersey, Brown Swiss, etc. The third breed is cross breeds. These breeds are developed by mating bulls of exotic breed with the cows of indigenous breeds. For an example, Curran Fries and Frieswald. The yield of milk from these improved breeds of cows is 2 to 3 times more than the indigenous breeds. Next is breeds of buffaloes. There are 3 breeds: Murrah, Mehsana and Surti. First see about Murrah. This is the original breed of Punjab and Haryana. The average annual milk yield is 1800 to 2500 liter of milk with the fat content about 7%. Next is Mehsana. This is the common breed in Gujarat and its average milk yield is about 1200 to 2500 liters. The last breed is Surti. This breed is the native of Kaira and Vadodara in Gujarat. Its average milk yield is 1600 to 1800 liters with fat content about 8 to 10%. Now the next is White Revolution. White Revolution is related to the production of milk in India. This is also called as Operation Flood, and this revolution is started in 1970 after the huge success of Green Revolution in India, which is resulted in a tremendous increase in the production of wheat and rice. And the main architect behind this revolution is Mr. Verghese Kurien. He has been the driving force in making India one of the largest producers of milk. Anand Milk Union Limited, popularly known as Amul, A Gujarat-based milk cooperative was the engine that drove this mission to such a successful height. And this idea was given by Mr. Verghese Kurien, and the main purpose of this program was to link the rural producer, that is dairy farmers, with the cooperatives were organized at the village level, and connected to the urban consumers. And the main objectives behind White Revolution was increase in milk production, strengthen the dairy farmers' income, and easy availability of milk at a fair price to all people. For more detail, just go through your textbook. Today's homework, question number 1, give a brief about White Revolution. Question number 2, write about the breeds of dairy cows and buffaloes. Thank you.